Again, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to configure LinkedIn companies for scraping them on the data extractor section. So make sure that you select companies. Once you select companies, we will have to go and add custom domain. In this, we need to add the proper footprint for companies. In this case is linkedin.com/company. Then make sure you paste here or type here correctly the pattern, because if you don't put it correctly, you're not gonna get any results. And as you can see, we have 97 million data, and let's make sure we enter, and it doesn't have a Authwall. So let's make sure we repeat the same process. I'm gonna copy the XPath. Once I copy the XPath on the name in the title, I paste over here the XPath. It's quite doing another tasks. Right now it's multi-threading. I'm sending a campaign, so that's why it's a bit slow. And the category here, specialties somehow, yeah, probably. Headline, copy XPath. Make sure you add on the precise where you wanna find the information. So industries might be industry here. Yeah, paste. Now location. I click over here and I only can graph. Yes, everything. Also followers. No. Can I minimize? Yes, I can target only the location and only followers. Since I have, can I expand here? No, I can't. Alright, I'm gonna copy XPath for location. So I paste the XPath on location. This H3. So span, top card, subline. Copy XPath. This might be different. Yes, it's different. It's the H3 with the text in the position 2, and we're gonna get the followers. So we paste here that XPath text 2. Now about us description. Copy XPath. Where description? Paste. Website. It's text. Yes, it's the text. Copy XPath. Website. It's just sending a campaign, so it's multi-trading right now. A website. I paste sectors, employees. We can continue all the way. I'm gonna continue copy all the XPaths for a number of employees. Copy XPath. Foundation, categories, specialties. Let's type specialties. So in the specialties, I have over here. We can also input this on the categories, but let's locations also there, reviews. Let's leave it like this. Company. Okay, now it's added to the companies. Now I want to scrape technology companies or digital marketing companies. Just type it over here. just give it some minutes. I need to stop my campaigns. As you can see right now, I'm gonna teach you. Where do we want these campaigns from? New York, let's say. I'm running these ones, all right? So extract. We're using Scraper API. Now we're gonna start getting results. Then after we get about 300 results from companies, digital marketing on New York, we're gonna start scraping them. Most of them doesn't have emails on the company page where you're gonna get other juicy stuff. If you wanna get emails from companies, make sure you try Yelp or Yellow Pages. Yellow Pages is better. Many of them will have emails, so we are gonna get them with regular expressions. Okay, more results. So page number 300 from here. All the way deep into scraping that. Then afterwards, it's gonna open Selenium. Make sure you accept that you want to open Selenium. That way, it's gonna try another selection over here. If we don't get another one, it's gonna jump it up. It depends on the configuration you have on how many leads you wanna get. So no more results. So it opens the Selenium. If you are on Windows, it's gonna open also this command line and it's gonna start navigating the companies. So let's go to data extractor. Let's see if it get title. There's no title in this URL. If we get the message that there is no title in the URL, it's because maybe it was really, we got the Authwall. Yes, so in case you get the Authwall, make sure you use login and input your login over here. I thought I was gonna be free from Authwall, but nope. That was input by LinkedIn from a while ago. You need to be connected into your profile in order to get the leads that you want to do. So let's make the connection. I'm gonna pause. So now let's hope an input. I'm gonna put this oversight. I already resetted my password and plug here. It's good. Now let's go and extract. So once you start extracting, it's gonna first go and input. It's gonna open. Well, it's gonna restart the extraction from the results. So just the best way we can do this, so we don't repeat the search. Well, no, because in the leads we only gonna store those leads that are from emails. So yeah, it's gonna restart. We're not storing this information from here. It's repeating over and over. So yeah. Why we're not storing them? Because probably they don't have enough information. We store it in the leads because if we have an email, it's gonna store it in the leads. But if we don't have emails, it's not gonna store it. So if you want to scrape leads that have already have emails and you want to extract other fields, make sure you use the scraped leads. I have that on another tutorial. So once it finishes, it's gonna open the Selenium. I'm I'm just waiting for it to finish. It will also include the data extractor for inside searching with the Selenium browser. I'm just figuring out how to apply that to every other network. So we just can configure like we're doing on the config for all these kind of different subdomains. So, okay, no more results. It's gonna open. It's gonna go to login phase. Then on the navigation to the login phase, it's gonna take a little while. So we get an error. This happens because the configuration has this bug, cannot navigate to an invalid URL. This means that we didn't configure properly the phase on the companies. Why is that? Because, let me explain you, in the companies, I'm gonna find the companies over here. Doing the multi-threading stuff. I need to improve the performance so it doesn't freezes so much. Well, I'm gonna restart because we haven't refreshed here what we added. But if we want to add another, yeah, let me close and reopen. So it got reopened, and my data structure, if I choose companies, I have LinkedIn there, and I should have it over here because it got refreshed. I need to improve that. I already know it for the next versions. So I will minimize everything. And now here, companies, LinkedIn company, all right? Why I'm getting that error? Because we have to input the login field, the login URL, and here we have to go and find the LinkedIn login URL. I'm gonna start the session. Look, this one here is the LinkedIn login URL. I'm gonna paste it over. Now login field, we need to input the login field. This one over here, the input, we have to copy the XPath, and that's our login field, same as the password. We need to input the XPath for the password. This continues because I'm sending on the campaign emails. Login field, that's username, all right? Now the password, input password, copy XPath. Where is it? We have it over here. Login button, password field. Input the password field and the login button. Do you see what we're doing here? We're configuring so we can use it on all the networks that we want. So it doesn't matter if it's Yelp or other networks that has location field that has Authwalls like preventing for scripting. That's it. All right, we saved changes. We're gonna start over again. I'm gonna use Google again and LinkedIn company, technology. It's setting on again. I already input a waiting random time between each of them. Each of the technology, New York. Okay. Now use login. I input login and my password. Now it's gonna be able to navigate to a proper login page. Let me close my Selenium stuff so it doesn't make conflict. So let me remove this. Let's remove that. It's getting again all the company's URLs from the proper patterns that we set. So now that we know that we can input any other, bypass any other Authwall, you might see the potential of this software. This video might be tedious. I'm doing about 20 minutes on it. That might require proper configuration, all the possible issues that you're gonna jump into it. So I hope you're watching all of this, because you'll need to add the proper login URL and as we did with the login, the password, the login button, the login URL. There, it's finished. No more results. Those were the last ones. So let's just wait to get the message that no more results. All right, no more results. It opens the Selenium. Now it's gonna navigate the wall over here. It's gonna input the login, put the password, and click the button. Oh, jump. Yeah. Oh God. Well, I had to It's gonna retry. It's gonna retry to. No, my God. I need to clear when it retries. Maybe it's gonna break now. Oh, but we did it. Now it's navigating to the company, but oh God. I'm stopping a bit. But it stays there. What if I navigate to proper? I need to fake that since we are using Selenium, I believe that LinkedIn is blocking Selenium. So we need to find a workaround about this. I will upload the video as private, so you check what I managed to find. Okay, well, I'm gonna stop this video. I need to find a workaround so LinkedIn doesn't blocks you on the login. But if you do this with other networks that require login, you'll get it working. It's just that LinkedIn gets improved every day. They have thousands of engineers blocking scrapers. So this is why it breaks constantly. So I'm going to find a workaround and let you know, guys. But if I do find a workaround, I'm not gonna be able to tell it in a video. So just not letting the engineers know about what I did. All right. So talk to you later. This is gonna be a private video only for those that have the private link.